We'll multiply numbers written in decimal notation. We'll find the product 0.125 times 0.24. The first thing I'm going to do is notice that there are 3 decimal places in the first number and 2 decimal places in the second number, which tells me that my product will have 5 decimal places. Now we'll just start multiplying. I'm going to multiply by 4 first. 4 times 5 is 20. I'll write the 0 and carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 that we're carrying is 10, so I'll write a 0 and carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 that we're carrying is 5. So that's the multiplication by 4. Now we'll multiply by 2, and we'll start by writing a 0 here and then do the multiplication. 2 times 5 is 10, so I'll write the 0 and carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 that we're carrying is 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. And now we're ready to add. We have 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1 is 3. And we know that we need 5 decimal places in the answer because 3 decimal places plus 2 decimal places is 5 decimal places. So I'm going to have to write a 0 in front of the 3. And then place the decimal point. And I'm also going to write a 0 in front of the decimal point. We do that just so that we know that a decimal point is coming. So the end result is 0.03000, or we could just write this without the extra zeros on the end as 0.03.